Good morning and welcome back, or welcome if it's your first time, to the Polyprofit YouTube channel. Today, it's a pretty momentous occasion. We are taking all our e-waste to a legend of the game, I guess. He's, if you don't know him, e-waste Ben. He buys boards like this. This is full of boards. This is full of boards, either low or mid-grade boards. We have hard drives, more boards, and power supplies, PC power supplies. So yeah, pretty excited, pretty pumped. It's a fair drive, it's about an hour away. Can't wait to learn a thing or two from someone with a lot of experience. Welcome to today's episode of Street Scrapping. We are at the top of town, right in the heart of Melbourne City. Only joking, we're not street scrapping. We are still on our way to Ben's, but look at where it's taking us. This is cool. It's cool. I love what I do. I love what I do, but I don't want to be in this every day. We made it. This is what I brought. Power supplies. More power supplies. Mid-grade boards. Oh, I didn't take that off. Oh well. Low-grade boards. Motherboards. And more motherboards. And lastly, hard drives. But really, the main thing is just to learn a little something, you know, get that knowledge. So we just are done loading up, or unloading and weighing up, and far out. Got the mad education. Even just with that one, I was only there for half an hour, maybe an hour, but I learned heaps. So man, I'm keen to go home and scrap, funnily enough. But anyway, he's just crunching the numbers now, and we'll be off. Woo, we are finally done. Oh man, I could talk to him forever. He has a wealth of knowledge. I learned so much, and just chatting. Just little tips, so much. It's amazing. But yeah, we're finally done. I'm starving. It's time to get all the way home. We're a long way from home, so it's time to skedaddle, and you know, man, I can't wait to get home and scrap. All right, we are home. I am full, so I can think straight now. Let's break it down. This is the receipt that we got from Ben. Let's just start from the top. 150 kilos, 53 kilos, 153 kilos of power supplies at 35 cents a kilo, $53. So that was 1.5 bins of power supply, $53. Better than a kick in the pants. 20 kilos of hard drives at 90 cents a kilo, $18.72. Now, low grade boards. I had almost 50 kilos at 28 cents a kilo, which is almost $14. Yeah, almost $14. It's a lot of effort for not much. Reward. Server boards. I didn't even know I had server boards, but he educated me. And I actually did have server boards in there, mixed amongst my mid-grade boards. But we had 7.6 kilos at $5.20. Wow. Almost $40 for server board. Okay, I'll pay more attention now. 53 kilos of motherboards at $4 a kilo gave me $213. So motherboards are good. 54 kilos of mid-grade at $1.70, $91.80 for a grand total of $431.16. Okay, there's a lot to take in. Not included on this receipt is the education, which from someone with a lot of experience, that was really valuable to me. And honestly, I can't wait to see him next time. But anyway, for now, we'll cut to the street picking for the week. Let's go. Oh yeah? Oops. Watch the camera. Please, please, please. Come on. Don't do this. You're the best. You're the best. Cord. Now I think this is exactly what I need for my trailer. 215 60R 16s. It might be too big. I'm coming anyway. Just the cord. To be honest, I don't know what possessed me to grab that big bulky furniture. I never ever grab furniture. Well, rarely. So I don't know. Let's keep rolling, I guess. Here we are at the next. We have Christmas lights. We have sandwich press. Sealed PC game. Okay, a couple of things there. Sealed PC game. I don't know if that sells at all. Does this sell? We'll soon find out. Vacuum cord, one of our favorite cords. It's always good to start with a cord. I don't know why it's good, but it's just, it is. Modems are good. We accept modems. Oh, someone's been here. By the look of it, they got like scissors or garden shears, not wire cutters. Just judging by the way the cord's cut. Okay, not bad. Oh yeah! I stumbled across some short, stocky, heavy steel. That's the only steel that I pick up. These look heavy, but they certainly are not heavy. Unfortunately. Aww, how cute is that? This looks cool. If this is in here, I'm gonna take it. Why not? Why not? That'll sell at the market that I keep saying I'm gonna go to, but I haven't gone to the market yet. I've been once, but it was a bit of a mission. So I'm a bit reluctant. I'd rather do a garage sale, I think, but haven't even done that. Busy, busy, busy. Oh yeah! Feel good today. No reason why, just feel good. Mondays is my favorite day. Favorite day of the week, Monday. I used to hate Mondays. Hated it when I worked for someone else. Could not stand Mondays. It just interrupted my weekend, you know what I mean? Holy. The vacuum still has a cord. Bonus. That's all I can see. That's all I'm willing to dig. That's as far as I'm willing to dig. Yes, sir. That's what we want. Logitech speakers. These ones look alright. Oh. This might be per personal. Maybe. Sobby. Big subwoofer. Beauty. Thank you, Papa. The man. Sorry if the wind is getting you in your ear holes. I'm working on a mic with the fluffy sock on it. Just not yet. Oh, that guy. He goes to me, I'm glad you asked, because most people just come around and tear things apart. You know, they rifle through hard rubbish piles and just leave a mess. Not this guy. Not this guy. I always ask every single time. I don't really like to film it. Sometimes I capture it. It feels a bit weird shoving a camera into their face. But sometimes I do. Wow, these birds are smashing the trees, and I don't know if you can see those birds. A bunch of galahs or cockatoos, I don't know what they are. Something like that. And they're just smashing all the trees in the area. There's leaves, not right now, but there's a lot of trees around the area with leaves all around it from those birds. Birds, they've probably been forced out of their own, you know, habitat where they were before, because they're bulldozing around the corner. They're bulldozing the open fields, or the bushlands. Sorry, not open fields, the bushland in and around this area. So they're forcing a lot of those birds and rabbits. There's heaps of rabbits near my house. Probably snakes as well. They forced them out of their homes. Not cool. All in the name of something. In the name of what? Progress. Here we are, the next. Man, that guy was chilled out. Yeah, man, take whatever you want, bro. All good, bro. You might have had some breakfast. Breakfast. Oh. I don't want to say it. I don't want to say it. Oh, hello. The hidden modem. Oh, the guy got me. Our friend got me. Oh well. There's more. There's. What am I saying? There's enough for everyone. We can all win. Oh, hello. I missed this one, my bro. Bit of Xbox controller action. Cords. Sweet as. Thank you, bro. Oh man, I gotta clean my truck. Look at it. Filthy. That's on the list. Things to do. Clean truck. The birds, man. The birds. Okay, you know where we are. We are at the next. Cords. Microwave. Man, haven't seen a microwave for feels like ages. Sewing machine. Oh, these guys. Yo's up. Cords, cords and cords. Thank you, friend. My man. Here we are at the next. It's not much. Just Christmas lights. Oh. Hello, brother.
How are you, mate?
I just recycled the... Thank you, bro. Thank you. Broken.
Little bit take it out here. I'll take it out. You can fix it.
Okay.
Huh? I think lagi ada.
Also, no good this end.
This one's take it off. See?
Ah.
It's today for sure.
Okay. Thank you, bro. I'll have a look at it.
Yeah, bro.
Jeez. He got me. I don't even think I really want this, but here we are. Let's go. I actually broke mine. Mine's in need of repair. I ran it ragged. Feels hollow. Looks cool. Precinct lights trough, small grey terrazzo. I might take this because I like it. Just looks cool. Thank you. Electrical. Kids drunk, sure. Junk, sure. Tarzan? No Tarzan. Asthma pump? Oi. Prison break. One disc. Oh, here we go. Hello. Cord and cord. Jeez. How do these charge? Oh yeah, I think I got that charger. What game do we have? Disney Friends. Isn't it cute? Oh yeah! Thank you, Mama. Appreciate it. Oh, sorry about the wind. Okay, yes, this is our basket. Uno. Not you. Bruh, I just picked up one of these. LG. Don't close. Boom. Might as well help clean up Australia, even if it is just the cord. Sometimes you find batteries in these empty vacant lots. Not today though. But yeah, people just dump stuff, illegal dumping, beauty, make our area look crap. Okay, we made it home just in time. It's about to start raining. I don't think it's going to be a heavy rain, but anyway, I am going to unload everything and we'll break it down on the table inside. So this might be the find of the day, except it is scratched. Oh, the kids, eh? Kids, what you gonna do? Oh, that is gross. There's some grossness in there. This is that grass cutter, whippersnipper. It's only a cheap Aldi one, so I'm scrapping it. I'm not gonna bother. This, I don't know if I'll keep them. Maybe. But they are H beams. Is that, I think that's what they're called, for retaining walls. This sucker, it's a bit too big for my trailer. This is a 16-inch. It's a Ford one, but too big. What's next? Smorgasbord of cords. You gotta love it. Oh, there's this thing as well. That is heavy and greasy. Pims. What is Pims? Is that a liqueur? I can't remember. I've heard of Pims, but that, I don't know why I grabbed that. That might join that pile. The one day I'm going to take it to the market pile. Lego boards. These are damaged a little bit. Where is the damaged one? This one is damaged right there. What's cracking? But I think it's still genuine Lego because it says it right there. Right there. That will always sell. One Logitech. This Logitech. Two Logitech. Two Logitech speakers for your PC. Don't know what I'll do with that. Xbox controller. Test that. Modem. Modem. DVD player. Sealed Wolfenstein PC game. This thing is very, very rough. But it's a Nintendo, so Nintendo stuff does quite well. Some textbooks that I'll check. If they don't pass the test, I will donate them. Biology, mathematics. Yeah. Oh, not forgetting the Maxwell Christmas platter. Another random thing that I'm not sure why I grabbed. Two side tables. I'll get rid of them quickly. Oh, and this one before I forget. This is for personal. Concrete planter. That is street scrapping done for the week. It's not massive, it's not the greatest, it's not the worst. And don't forget, it was all $3.99. This is probably the highlight. Hopefully it works. I'll go get the charger and test it. I'm pretty sure I've got this charger. Test this, test that. Might check in later, but if not, thank you for joining. See you in the next one. Peace.